Without 5G phone you can get unlimited internet like a broadband. And if you have a Wi-Fi device, you can insert that SIM and you can use all your home or house or office anywhere. You can check it out. I gonna let you share the unlimited pack with you. That one is this one. As you can check out, this is the 398. One second. 398 plan for a 1 month 28 days, and 698 is for 56 days, and the 1048 rupees plan is for just 3 months. So you want to buy, you want to enjoy, you can recharge with these plans and get unlimited internet like a broadband. And that broadband is movable. You can insert your SIM insert into your mobile phone and enjoy. No need of 5G 4G any phone. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye for now.